Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an antenna on your Roku TV. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing we need to do is find an antenna with the correct mileage range. So we are going to visit two websites that are going to tell us the reception and distance of the channels we want to watch. Both of these websites will be down in the description. The first website we are going to take a look at is fcc.gov. Here on this website, you'll have two options. You can put your zip code or go to my location. Once you do that, you'll see the coverage in either strong, moderate, weak, or no signal. If we scroll to the top, you will see that it says, single strength calculations assume an outdoor antenna 30 feet above ground level. Actual reception quality may vary for viewers using an indoor antenna. Alright, so let's move over to the second website. This one's going to be antennasdirect.com. Here, all you need to do, right under where it says transmitter locator, is put your zip code in. Once you do that, you will see some suggested antennas for the area that you live in. Then if you keep scrolling, you'll see the available channels and the distance on the right column. So for my area, Fox is around 26 miles away. So this is a good website to see how far your favorite channels are. Alright, so the next thing I want to show you is the RCA Signal Finder. And this is an app that you can get on your iPhone or Android device. Once you get into the app, all you have to do is put your address in or hit current location. Once you do that, you can select the channels you would like to find. And this app will help you find the direction your antenna needs to be in. Now that we have all that figured out, we are now going to program the Roku TV. Today we're going to be using an $8 antenna from Walmart. The range of this antenna is only 20 miles. And according to the map, I will need a 30-mile antenna for it to get some good reception. Alright, so we have to connect this coaxial cable to the back of this Roku TV. Alright, so once you have it plugged in, we are going to go down to settings. Once in settings, we are going to go down to TV inputs. Then we are going to scroll down to live TV. Next, we will click setup input. Alright, so in this screen here, you will see that it gives you two options. I have an antenna, search for channels, or I don't have an antenna, take me to streaming TV. So we have an antenna, so we are going to click the first one. Next is going to ask you if you need channels 3 and 4. So if you are using a VCR, then you would probably need channels 3 and 4. But if you are not, then you will click no, channels 3 and 4 are not needed. So that's the second option. Here in this screen, you will see that now it's scanning your TV antenna. Once the scan has concluded, you will see how many channels it has found. So with this $8 antenna, we have found 37 channels. So now we are just going to click done. So here are some channels that it found. Whatever LA18 is, SBS, MBCD, some Asian channel, another Asian channel, Sun Life, some of these have poor signal. As you can see, we see no signal. All right, 27.5, New Life Ministry. All right, no signal. Here we have 31.1. It looks like it's CBS Weekend News. All right, pretty good. 31.2, Spanish channel. 31.3. This is Fave TV. And then we have 50.1 PBS HD. So PBS SoCal. PBS 2. Daystar. PBS World. We have some PBS Kids. So according to the websites, I needed an antenna that was around 35 or more miles. With this $8 antenna, we were able to get some channels, but not many good ones. The only good one was CBS, and it breaks up here pretty frequently. Before you go out and spend money on an antenna, make sure you check out the video that I made. It includes 3 totally free live streaming TV channels that are available on your Roku TV. That is all I have for today. If this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.